Okay, my name is Kendra Long and I'm 13. I have been skateboarding for 5 years. What made me want to start skateboarding is my dad bought my brother a skateboard and I got very jealous, and so I kind of just took it over and started skating with it. My favorite thing about skateboarding is landing tricks that I've been trying for so long. It's just a very good feeling. When you begin skateboarding and you can't get a trick and you just keep trying, the more times you just don't get it, the better it will feel. I know it sounds weird, but it will. I was trying tray flips for so long, and then when I landed it, it was like my inside of my body, fireworks going off. I was so happy.
How did you learn to skateboard?
Well, this is actually interesting. I learned how to skateboard from Braille, actually. I looked on YouTube and I searched up skateboarding, and the first thing that popped up was Braille. And so I started watching their videos and they helped me do everything. I learned my kickflips, my ollies, and my shove-its. And then once I started getting better, I kind of stopped watching it. But then if I can't land anything, then I'll go back and watch it again.
Hey guys, we are super excited to be here today with
Kendra Long.
sponsored skateboarder from the Texas Bay Area.
Yes.
And I am Aaron Cairo, sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area.
Mowgli from Bakersfield.
There you go.
Daniel from here.
He doesn't even know.
I live in the Braillehouse.
What happened to your beard?
I shaved it.
He shaved his beard.
Stevie from Newark. Nigel from not of this planet.
Truth. So, and you're gonna skate this park and you're gonna do amazing tricks.
All right.
How long have you been skating for?
5 years.
5 years. That's incredible. Well, we did a whole interview, so now I'm really thrown off. Because normally I'd ask you 3,000 questions. What do we do? Now I'm so nervous. Let's ride skateboards. So I asked her, I said, you could do any tricks anywhere. And she said, well, I think I'll warm up on the stairs. And I was like, the stairs are for walking. We don't even skate the stairs. We're not good enough. Any trick she wants.
Compose yourselves! Come on, people!
Mowgli's all, I feel embarrassed. She's all like, that was really bad toe drag. And we were like, we've never tray flipped this.
Oh! Oh!
Woo! Just gonna do the hip, just gonna skate the hip.
Oh no! Oh my goodness!
Okay, I think I'm done with that.
Pop that glow! have
Because
it.
it looks like I'm short.
I told you you got it. That was good, you killed it. She wants to go to the stairs. She's the only one who knows how to skate stairs, except for Nigel.
You can skate stairs.
No, I cannot.
We just did some skateboarding maneuvers, and guess what? I will see you in the next video, 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 in the next video. How do you edit that? It's so dumb now.
No, we're not ending this right now.
Oh.
Come on.
First try! That's it! I'm out! I quit! That was amazing! Yes. Well, you officially just showed up in the entire Braille team. Well done. Well played. Well, thank you so much for coming out here. Yes. That was some incredible skateboarding feats, really.
Thank you for letting me come here. This was an awesome opportunity, and I'm very grateful for it.
Yeah, you're welcome. Kendra.skates, the link is in the description below. Go give her a follow and tell her all of the incredible things that you would like her to know. Like, she is the best skateboarder ever, right?
Yes, thank you. So the first competition I went to that was big was in Brazil. I got an invite and I got a text message and it said, would you like to go to SLS in Brazil? It's the championships. And I almost passed out. And that was the first big one. And then the other ones I've been to are just a bunch of other SLSs like in London and California. The experiences were insane. I mean, I'd never seen such good skaters ever. It was my first time seeing Nyjah in person, and that was insane because I got to sit in the VIP area because I was a competitor, and it was crazy. Everybody was just yelling, and it was so much more different than watching it on YouTube. If I was in the Olympics, I don't even know, it would be so crazy, and it would be my biggest dream ever, and I would probably have so much fun, and it would be awesome to hang out with all the Olympic people, and it would be cool to tell my friends that I was in the Olympics because that is awesome. My plans for skateboarding in my future is just to do it for a long time and get really good, because if I get good, I want to be the best. That is definitely what I'm aiming for. So I'm just going to keep skating all the time and keep progressing and then go to all these contests and just get better. If you're just starting out to skateboard, I would tell you to keep doing it. In the beginning, I almost didn't do it because I wasn't landing anything. It took me so long to land my first kickflip. It took me probably almost a year, but it took me a lot of time and a lot of determination. I wanted to land it so bad, and I just kept doing it. But I say just study it out, watch a bunch of videos, watch people's feet, how they pop, how they flick, and really commit to it, because I think that's a lot of people's problem. That was my problem, was not committing to kickflips, and I just could not land them. But after a while, after I kept doing it over and over, I finally got the hang of it, and I just popped and flicked it, and I landed it good, and I was so excited. It was that's probably the best feeling the best feeling is to land your first kickflip, because it's the beginning of so much more. But you will eventually, just gotta keep going at it and just be determined to do well, because it is the best sport ever, and it is so fun, and you can meet so many cool people, and I would say to just keep going on with it. Oh, if you were a girl and you don't think you should skateboard, you should definitely still skateboard. I was the only girl that was skating. When my skate park got built, there was only boys, and they kind of just looked at me like I was just, another skateboarder. You will fit in. I mean, if anybody just questions you because you were a girl, it's not just a boy sport. It's a boy and girl sport. I mean, girls are in skateboarding in the Olympics, and you could totally skateboard. I mean, you'll fall and it'll probably hurt. You just gotta get back up and you gotta do it again. But I think if you're a girl, it does not matter. We're all good.
Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, even you can learn how to ride a skateboard. Don't you think they can?
Yes, of course.
You can. Just do it. Just do it.